Hello friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about how we can use Creative Commons videos from YouTube without copyright strike. Creative Commons licenses give a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons CC BY license. If you've marked your video with a CC BY license, you retain your copyright. Other creators get to reuse your work subject to the terms of the license. Let's check how we can find the Creative Commons videos. For example, we are going to find the Creative Commons videos related to United States. Permits all uses of the original work, as long as it is attributed to the original author. Note: attribution is in all 6 licenses, by SA, by attribution, share alike as above, but any derivative work must also use a similar license, hence, share alike by ND. By attribution, no derivatives licensed works are free to use, share with attribution, but does not permit derivative works from the original, by NC. By attribution, non-commercial licensed works are free to use, share, remix with attribution, but does not permit commercial use of the original work, by NCSA. By attribution, non-commercial, share alike does not permit commercial use of the original work, and any derivatives from it must use a similar license, by NCND. By attribution, non-commercial, no derivatives does not permit any commercial use or derivatives of the original work. Note: this is the most restrictive of CC licenses, and is often regarded as a free advertising license. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the press icon to never miss an update from us.